And I have to say thank you to here by Danny for sponsoring today's video. Ryan Little. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing restoring your lease after build-up of product on the unit, and we're going to dive straight into the video. So today I'm going to be using the VO5 shampoo and conditioner. It's an affordable shampoo and conditioner you can find at any Pennywise outlet and even internationally any store. It's really good in getting build up off of your wigs, and it's an affordable shampoo and conditioner. I really was introduced to this shampoo and conditioner from watching Renelli's video. She's a fellow Trinidad YouTuber, and but they usually use the sulfate free one. That is really hard to get right now in Trinidad. So I've been using this, and it's been working really good. I'm also going to be using the Cantu Shea Butter hair mask in this video on the unit, and you're going to see exactly what it does to the unit. I'm also going to be using the curl activator. It's your curly tight curl activator or curl enhancer, and I'm going to be discussing exactly how you're going to be using that on curly units in today's video. Now I'm having warm water run on the unit, and now I'm going to be applying the shampoo on the unit. And a quick trick into getting buildup off of your unit along with the warm water, use an old toothbrush and really get in there and scrub the unit. You're not going to be pressing too hard, gently press, because the warm water helps in raising buildup and product off of the lace, and the toothbrush is just to get in there in the smaller spots to get that product or buildup of the glue off of the unit. So here I'm scrubbing the front of it. I'm really getting in there, but not too hard, soft, really soft in scrubbing it. And you see the product has already started to lather, and the product has already started raising up off of the front of the unit. So rather than have your unit soaking for any long extended period of time, this is a really quick way, especially if your unit is already cleaned and you already did wash it previously. This is really quick and easy to do. So now I place the unit on my mannequin head. I wanted to see exactly if all the product is off the lace, and you would see you're seeing straight through. So all the buildup is off of the unit, and it's looking really good. So I'm brushing through the unit because you know curly units when wet sometimes they begin to tangle. So I'm running my detangler brush through it, pinning it back to ensure that all of the buildup is off of the unit, to see if I have to go back in there and do another washing, and I did not have to. All came off um, with just that one scrub. So I'm pinning back, just looking through the unit, ensuring everything is off, and then pinning it down for when I'm going to now treat the unit now to add moisturizer and activator and start brushing it through. So the hairpins I got all at Pennywise. So now I'm brushing through. You'll see the hair mask is on the unit there. I've already applied the Cantu hair mask. It's actually a hair mask for natural hair, but it works really good on curly units and keeping it moisturized and soft and bouncy. So I'm applying it there and brushing through the unit. You see how easy it is to brush through? No tangles, no nips, no nothing. So I'm brushing it through. I'll massage it through as well, because sometimes when you just apply it and you leave it there, it builds up on the unit, so you don't want that. I'm just ensuring I'm massaging it into the curls, ensuring all the curls are coated with the product, because you want it to be soft and nice. So now I'm actually going to be using Indian hemp, yes, hair grease in the unit. Now what I found with using hair grease, this also helps in keeping the unit so soft, so easy to manage, even after these of not being wet. So you're going to see what I'm going to talk about after leaving it to hair dry. I'm going to leave it to hair dry overnight. Air dry, hear me, hair dry. Air dry overnight, and you're going to see how nice and soft the unit still looks, as if it's it has water in it when it actually doesn't. And even if you go outside with humidity, it stays so soft and doesn't look frizzy and super dry. So this is actually the next day, and you see what I'm talking about with the unit looking as if it has water in it still, and it actually doesn't. It's bouncy, it's soft, and zero tangles. No tangles at all. You see how easy it is for me to run my fingers through it, and even to brush through it. It looks so soft. So now I'm just going to be applying foundation to the front of the unit. I'm not going to be putting it to the middle of the scalp of the unit. Um, that is because I just want the front to melt in. Your scalp doesn't look brown right through, it looks white to the middle. So I'm just adding it to the front to melt it in. Alright, so now we're just going to apply the wig. It's so nice and soft. I have to say, using the Cantu shea butter, even though it says for natural hair, it really does work good on wigs. So this and the Your Curly Tight Curl Enhancer, yeah, this works really good on the wig. So I'm just going to lay the wig down using my Got2b gel and the Got2b spray. And I'm going to lay down, apply the gel to the perimeter of my hairline.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world.
Okay, so this is how the unit looks like fully installed. I love this unit. You would have seen me had it on in previous videos because I was like trying it on, seeing how it works, if the hair shreds or any sheds or anything. And I have not experienced any shedding. It's a really good quality wig, and I have to say thank you here by Danny for sponsoring today's video, because the hair is from Danny's hair. And if you want to keep your curly wigs like these from tangling up, I would recommend you use the Cantu brand here. This is the clarifying and renew hair and scalp mask, so their natural hair mask. I have not tried another type of hair mask from them, but this is the one I find works really good in curly wigs, as well as you would have seen me speak about this, be using this in the video to keep it moisturized, and a little bit of Vaseline or grease or hair grease, anything to keep the hair moisturized, and some water, and your curly wigs do not tangle, do not shed, they just keep soft. But you know, you have to wet it to get the curls activated. So my recommendation is to use these products to keep your wig nice and healthy, and to follow the steps I use to get the buildup of product on the lace. It really does help. Even washing it with warm water really does help the residue and so on to come off of it, along with the toothbrush, and scrubbing it off gently, so you wouldn't have any more issues with buildup. So guys, that's today's video. I really do hope you enjoyed it and you learned something today. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscription button down below. Give the video a thumbs up, like, and share. And I will see you guys in my next video. So thank you so much for joining me. Bye.